You saw it first on Fox 4 this weekend. It's not just the Chiefs who'll consider Kansas incentives. The Royals say they will too. This as a stadium star bonds package will be debated at next week's special session. And tonight, Missouri leaders are reacting to this turn of events.
Yeah, the Jackson County Legislature met this afternoon at the Jackson County Courthouse downtown. Our coverage continues. Fox 4's Jonathan Ketz live downtown after trying to reach out to the county executive Frank White this afternoon. John?
John, we tried to do that earlier today, and County Executive Frank White was not in attendance. A couple of things have just happened in the past 20 minutes, though. Wyandotte County Executive and Mayor of KCK, Tyrone Gardner, just came out with a statement in support of the Kansas State Legislature revising and reworking star bonds to try and make them more attractive for both the Chiefs and the Royals. When it comes to what happened here at the courthouse earlier today, Sean Smith and Manny Abarca each asked White's Chief of Staff, Caleb Clifford, about this situation. Here was part of that exchange.
Are there any further communications with the Royals or the Chiefs as far as the stadium stuff goes?
You are correct that both the public is interested, and there's not much more that we can say, Legislator Smith, but we continue to move forward and are hopeful that we can come to some resolution in the near future.
Earlier Monday afternoon, Fox 4 interviewed longtime former Jackson County Democratic legislator Dan Tarwater, who ran and lost a Kansas City City Council election to KC Tenants leader Jonathan Duncan a year ago. His brother Sean, a Republican from Johnson County, Kansas, is trying to get the Chiefs to move across the state line. Wednesday of last week, Sean was critical of Jackson County Democratic Executive Frank White. On Monday, Dan told us this.
I have always been interested in the county executive, and especially now. And it's not just because I ran for another office and didn't make it. I was a legislator for 28 years.
White was against the vote yes side in the April election, and even though Tarwater voted yes, he doesn't think either the Chiefs or the Royals have 3 more years to wait until White's current term ends.
In 2006, we didn't just say, which is one of his, my phone works, you can call me. No, we actively worked with both teams. We actively worked with the community. We had everything in place. This one that just came up, I agree with the voters on some of this, is it was terribly disjointed.
Democratic Jackson County legislator Manny Abarca was also critical of White's office and one of White's appointees, basically asking if he made a sunshine request for the conversations between the county, the Chiefs, and the Royals since the April 2nd election, what would happen. County Councilor Brian Kavinsky responded saying that those records would not be made public. John?
Jonathan Ketz live downtown at the courthouse. John, thanks.